Welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will cover how to install HP Envy 6530E printer on a computer. To install this printer on a computer, you will require its driver. I will show you which driver you will require and where you can download it from. Please come on the screen. This is the driver that you will require. This is the full feature driver, and you can download this driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After download, let's start installing it. To install it, you just need to double click on that and it will start extracting the drivers, and after extracting it will start the driver installation wizard. So please wait for that. If it is asking for permission, so please click on yes. It is preparing the setup, so please wait. Please click on continue and click on yes to accept the agreement. And now it is searching for the printer, so please make sure the printer should be connected to the computer through the USB cable and the power button is on of the printer. Please check that. If your printer is connected, this screen will detect your printer and will go further. It says printer not found. It means the printer is not connected to the computer. So please connect it properly and please click on continue to get more options, specific option to connect the printer. Click on continue. You will get option wireless network and USB. Please select the preferred one. I prefer USB connection, and then click on continue again. Now it is asking to connect the printer's USB cable to the computer. So please connect it and make sure the power button is on, right? After that, this screen will detect your printer connection and will go further for the continue. You need to click on continue and then click on finish to complete the installation process. In my case, this is not detecting. I will have to check the USB cable physically. So this is how you can install this printer on your computer. If you like my efforts in this video, please hit like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.